What's going on, guys? Today we're in Colorado at No Name Park. We're gonna be going for some brown trout, maybe some rainbow trout. We came last year and caught several small brown trout, and it was pretty fun, so we decided to try it again. We're gonna be throwing some 1/8 ounce rooster tails and small crankbaits and stuff like that, so hopefully we can get a couple. And we're gonna be here for 2 days, and we're gonna try a different spot tomorrow if this one don't prevail today. So we'll catch up with y'all in a little while. Using a 1/8 ounce crankbait. This is actually a H2O one. I think it's like a shad color. Got one. Pretty decent one. We can get him in. Ooh. Uh-oh. First one. Oh, try not to get hooked. Actually, I got pliers. Take them off. Oh, he's cold. All right, first brown trout of the trip. It's a pretty nice one, maybe about 14 inches long. We're gonna release him pretty quick, get a picture and chunk him back. Oh, I had a bite. Yep. Little one. Tiny one. I'll take it. Thing is baby. We can get a fish stick out of it. Sheesh. He hit it hard for being a little one. No, it's a brown trout. Looked like a rainbow. Tiny brown trout, but still fun. Alrighty, get out of here, guy. Go. There he goes. Little one. That was a rainbow trout, but it was a brown trout. All right, we're trying a different spot here. Pretty steep. Oh, yep, we did it. We did it finally. Son of a. That was not good. That was not good at all. Twisted my knee up. And I'm still coming down here. I busted my ass. All right, we changed it up. We got the new killer blue fox baby brown trout on. When all else fails, this lure doesn't. Guaranteed, within 5 casts, get one. Oh, swiped at it. Damn it. He came after it. Came to the top of the water, actually. Saw that one. Gotta give it a little slow retrieve. Let him eat it. This lure never fails me. If it does, I'm throwing it in the river. All right, I'm gonna turn the camera off, and as soon as I do, I'm gonna hook one. Watch. As I predicted, as soon as I turn the camera off, got a trout. Not a bad one. Pretty decent one. Look at the hook out first. Ooh, we got the hook in there good. All right, fella, calm down. I'll throw you back. Yes. Well, not a bad little brown trout. They've all been about the same size today, but it's all right. Get out of here. Go. Dude, going the wrong way. Get out of here. Look, he's right there. Just slowly taking off. Well, what if I scare him with a stick? Alrighty then. He's under the ice. Day 2, Colorado River. Snowing. Not ideal conditions, but we're only here for today, and we're going to Minnesota tomorrow, so we got to make the best out of today and try to catch some fish in this. We'll see what happens. Finally. Finally, unless he gets off. Is that a rainbow? Oh, it's a brown. About time. Oh, and she's gone. Not a bad one. Pretty fish. Let's get him back. Oh. All right, where can I drop him in here? There he goes. There we go. They're on that ledge. Oh. All right, I'm just got to flip them. Alrighty then. This one's smaller. I don't need to get a picture. This one's smaller. I don't need to get a picture. It's all right. Got it on camera. All right, fella. All right, guys. That's going to do it for the Colorado trip. We got snowed in this morning. Couldn't really get a lot of fishing done. But we got here for a couple hours this evening. And we caught 3 of them today. I think we caught 3 or 4 yesterday. All brown trout. No rainbow trout or brook trout like we were hoping, but it was still fun. The scenery's awesome, and we'll definitely be back hopefully to fly fish in the future. But if y'all like this video, make sure y'all like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all on the next one.